Yes, but in the manual it is written 8 years, 4 years when new and 4 years after end to end. But between this period, if your rope is damaged, okay, if strands are cut or due to abrasion, okay, sometimes there is a surging, so it gets rope gets chafed, okay, there's chafing, so it damages the rope. So during your routine inspection, if you find the rope is too much damaged, so its percentage is written in the manual, manufacturer manual. So it's around 10% or 15%. If you see lot of cuts, abrasion, then you remove the rope, or you can change end to end, and it is already end to end changed, then you put the new rope, okay. So you should have at least one rope spare, one rope aft, one rope forward. So it depends upon company to company. So in my company we should have two ropes for aft, two ropes for the forward, okay. And as soon as you change, just raise a requisition for the new rope, okay. And always try to keep, if you have two mooring ropes on the one drum, so try to keep same type of the rope on the drum, okay. So we have single winches, okay. I will just explain. You can see we have single winch, we have single rope, okay. Sometimes you have two ropes on the one winch, like one rope is here, one rope is here. That time both the ropes should be of the same type, okay. Then it has a good holding power, okay, because these ropes have a braking load, okay. So it should match for both the ropes, okay. So we have finished our rope inspection here, okay. So we will change. So what all you have to check, I'll just tell, okay. The main thing is the eye of the rope, okay. The canvas you can put by yourself, you can tell your deck team to put the canvas. Check the strands, okay. You can see the thickness of the rope, it is thicker than my hand, okay. So you can see how many strands, 8 strands, okay. Strands means this one is called strand, so total there are 8 strand rope, okay. And the construction of the rope is written on the certificate, okay. You have to keep a mooring file in which you will find rope certificates is kept as per the winches, okay. And also you have to maintain the mooring rope status, okay, because when you go home, the next chief officer will come, so you should know which rope you have put new and when, okay. And you have to also put the date for end to end when you change end to end, okay. So now I will change end to end, so I have to update the rope status, okay.